In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slice Tool in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to quickly capture just the part of your design you need, without rearranging layers or exporting entire frames. The Slice tool is perfect for grabbing a button, a header section, a thumbnail, or any custom area you want to save as an image or vector file. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the elements you want to export. Make sure the canvas is organized enough that you can clearly identify the region you are targeting. A quick zoom in can help with precision. Next, activate the tool. At the bottom toolbar, click the small arrow next to the frame icon and choose Slice from the menu. Or simply press the S key to switch to the Slice tool right away. Your cursor will change to indicate you are ready to draw a slice. Now define the area. Click and drag across the specific area, object, or group you want to export. As you drag, Figma draws a rectangular slice. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. You can refine it immediately after. The slice acts like a window that tells Figma exactly what to include in the export, regardless of how your layers are arranged underneath. Adjust the slice so it fits your target precisely. With the slice selected, use the corner and side handles to resize. And click and drag inside the box to move it. Take a moment to align edges cleanly to avoid stray pixels. If you are exporting a UI element, match the slice to the element's padding, so the result looks polished when used elsewhere. When you are happy with the selection, it's time to configure and export. In the Layers panel, select the slice layer you just created. It will appear as its own layer, typically named Slice with a number. Then, look to the right-hand panel and click the plus icon next to Export. This tells Figma you want export settings attached to this slice. Choose your preferred format. PNG is great for images with transparency. JPG is good for photos without transparency. SVG is ideal for icons and scalable graphics, and PDF works well for documents or vectors you might print. Set the size to match your needs: 1x for standard resolution, or larger like 2x or 3x if you are preparing assets for high-density screens. Finally, click Export. Figma will generate the file using the exact boundaries of your slice. And you can save it to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.